Why COVID-19 is taking the worst out of people. Very briefly, I'd just like to emphasize on 2 points. Number one, that yes, we are being advised and we are being told for cleanliness, for purity, for tahara, to make sure that we are clean so we can save ourselves from catching this disease. But number two, not many people are talking about how this could affect the mental health of people. It could cause anxiety, depression. Many people will fall into stress because they have no incomes to pay their bills, their mortgages. And in a situation like this where there is manic and there is panic, if we as humans or we as people of the neighborhood and society, if we are going to behave like animals, the sad reality is this. Today, if we take a look at the situation around us, people are queuing outside supermarkets and superstores at 6:30 in the morning only to find empty shelves. People are stocking in the house tissues and gels, rooms full of it, shelves full of it, whilst your neighbor has no food to eat at night. Have you forgotten the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ, where he says, shame upon you if you are going to sleep with a full stomach whilst you know that your neighbor is going to sleep hungry. What really hurts me is the fact that elderly people, vulnerable people, who have to pay for a taxi to go and do shopping, they are going there only to find empty shelves. And what really amazes me and what is so shocking is the fact that the aisle that has the tissues and the gels, they are totally empty. But the aisles that have the vitamins that will help your immune system fight this virus, they are untouched. This is how society and this is how we are behaving. Today, instead of being selfish, if we show unity in our society today, if we help the people who are elderly, who are more vulnerable, the people who need help, this could create love and unity amongst us as well. It reminds me of a very great story that has a very great moral to it as well, where there was a traveler who went into a forest and he sees that there is a snake who has been caught in a trap. So what he does is that he goes there and tries to help the snake. And as soon as he goes to help the snake bites him, which creates excruciating pain in his body. So then he goes again and tries to help the snake again. And the snake bites him again. So upon seeing this, someone from the far distance, they say that, "Oh traveler, when the snake is biting you, why are you going to help him?" So the traveler says that it is the nature of the snake to bite and kill, whilst it is the nature of a human being to help. So if we today just fall back to reality, instead of behaving like animals, if we behave like humans and understand that the coronavirus, it is not only self-isolation, but it also has effect on many people in many different ways. If we understand this today, then we will be able to fight this war against the virus. And let's not forget, by all means, wholeheartedly, we thank our National Health Service. We thank the staff of NHS who have been working tirelessly. There are many staff who are working from 12 to 14 hours a day just to help people. There are many staff who have been called out of retirement to help the people. So the least that you can do is self-isolate to prevent yourself from catching this disease. The sad reality is that 1 in 5 staff of the NHS have been afflicted by this. So although they are short in staff, they are also going out there and helping the people. So the least that you can do is stay in your house, be safe, help the neighborhood. Don't load your house with shopping that you don't need. Rather instead help each other, help one another fight this disease. If we stand united today, we'll be able to fight this coronavirus. We'd also want to thank the priests, the imams, who are working tirelessly to help the community. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless one and all. Ameen thumma ameen. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh.